Okay, my friend, welcome back to another Arcis AI video. And today's video is the fast track video, basically how to get the most out of the Arcis AI platform from the very beginning. So if you're new to the platform, you've signed up for your 14-day pro trial below. This video is the most important one to watch, as you will be able to basically log in, start seeing some setups in real time, how the Arcis AI platform tracks, analyzes, and takes positions. And that is using the Arcis setups here. So on the front interface, these are the Arcis setups. These are based on systems that I've still traded this day, and it's all automated inside the platform. So each week, the Arcis weekly tab will analyze the markets, the FX markets, gold, silver, and come up with 20 high probability trade setups across those assets and load them up into the dashboard every Sunday, 10 p.m. GMT. And you can automate these directly to your MT5 if you're on the elite tier, or to the platform's demo or prop sim. And to do that, you would simply just select auto and send them to your account. That's the manual way to do it, 2 seconds. You can do it from your phone or do it from the platform itself. And then we have the daily setups. So every day it does the exact same as the weekly, but 20 setups for the day ahead, and you can automate them to your platform. Again, you just do this, load setups, and cancel. You can select and choose the setups that you want to do. If you're logging in late, you can just go AI analyze setups and select that, send best to demo, or send best to the account. Demos just there, but it means whatever account you have selected there, and it will send the best setups to the account. So that is that. And this is the new Edge platform. So this is the forward testing, machine learning, and AI powered data collection. So you can track all the different strategies and systems that are on the platform. It will track every single outcome on every single strategy in a back-end environment. So tracks the outcomes, and once it's got enough data, it will start learning. All the data will be in the Arcis Quant here, so you can select the strategy and you can pull up all the different stats on each strategy. Okay. You can see so far in this, from this week, some trades there on Arcis Weekly. But the Arcis Weekly and Arcis Daily, they are tracked also separately here. So each week when the setups load, they also load into the Arcis tracking here. And we have the daily, and then we have the weekly. So this is this week's trades so far. We can see that 20 batch setups, 6 have triggered, 4 have hit TP1, 306 pips so far, profit 306 if you scroll down. So each week this will update. Monthly results will be tracked every month. And down here we'll show you the exact trades that have triggered and which ones are running profit, which ones have closed. This just gives you all the stats. So this is tracking the markets in real time via the setups and updating it inside the tracking. So when you're just logging in, you'll be able to log in here, go to Edge, and just have a quick look at the setups. If you don't see any loading, you will hit sync and they should load. This is today's daily setups. 20 trades setup are loaded. Nothing's triggered yet. All still pending. So throughout the day, there's one actually triggered. So we can see, just took a while to load. One is triggered, currently in profit $52. And we look down, we see it is the British pound, Swiss franc. So that's the one that's triggered, currently running in profit. So all good. Tells you when it's triggered time, tells you the current result. So you can actually just track the setup. So very easy to get started with the platform, just getting trades straight away. As always, trade at your own risk. And if you want to automate the actual process of the Arcis Weekly and Daily to your trading platform, you would do it up here with auto. You'd open the auto settings. You would go across to Arcis Daily here. If you're connecting your MT5 account, you would want to confirm in the account section and which account you want it to route to, which is here, demo, PropSim, or MT5 Live, or none. You would turn it on here, give you a warning. So, and then you would select your lot size for MT5. So you could do whatever you want to set it to. And the way Arcis daily setups work is they close end of day. So EOD means end of day, or you can hold until TP stop loss. Daily setups, you want to be closing end of day. Down here is advanced. So this is just for max daily trades, max daily drawdown, and quality threshold. So then similar for the weekly, do the exact same for the weekly, and those setups will load into your connected MT5, or if you're selecting the demo, load into your demo account every week at 10 p.m. GMT. So as soon as the setups are generated, you've got auto trade on, it will literally just go directly to your trading account. So that is the fastest way to get the most out of the platform straight away, to start seeing trades. You can track the trades in real time with Arcis tracking. For other methods on the platform, Arcis Core, Arcis Live, you would simply just select all the profiles here, select start learning, and let the platform build enough data up before actually going live. So this is, you can select your entry mode, front run or limit or confirmation. I like the front run, just gives you the fastest way to get the platform to start learning. And over time, the more trades that it learns, the better it will improve the strategy and the systems, and the better the AI will get over time. So I'm just currently working on a couple of other things to go on this in the background. Also, today we're updating Arcis AI Live just to make that more compatible with the machine learning. So if you're on the platform today, Arcis Live might not be up and running just quite yet. It's down at the minute. We have the Arcis Watcher mode also. So it literally you can have this on and it will actually watch every single trade it takes and learn and improve over time. And eventually you will be able to let the AI run your own trading systems and trading strategies on the platform. So that's how that will work. I have that off just for now because I've got the machine learning on. And also one thing that was added also was the educational center. So over 144 strategies and more getting added, psychology playbooks, risk management playbooks, how to use the Arcis platform, how to get the most out of it is all in there. So just courses on everything. So we have forex, so proper systems and strategies and things that I've learned over the last 18 years that will really help you with your trading. They're not just basic strategies like moving averages. It's actually real education that will literally help you in your trading. So that's the whole point of the Arcis AI platform, is full automation. So you can teach the platform your strategies. You can now, this is the final bit that's getting built in, which is the algo. You'll be able to build your own algos onto the platform and start running them. And unlike most algorithms and robots who rely on back tests, you can run a back test and then you can run a forward test with the Edge platform. So you run the back test and you run the forward test. So that's the proper way to find out a real edge. And the Edge platform does all that for you. So the fastest way to get started with the platform, sign up for your 14-day free pro trial below, log in and start trading the weekly and daily setups. They're producing really, really good results. You can track them in real time in the platform. So when you first log in, it might take a little bit just for this to load up, but they will load up and you'll be able to track the setups every day and every week. So currently 306 pips, 2 days gone the week, and that is full automation. That's AI doing the analysis, it's AI doing the trading, and it's AI doing the tracking. You literally just need to log in, plug and play. So as always, Trade at your own risk. The whole point of the platform is to help you with your trading, take away all the hard, boring work, and make everything as much as automated as much as possible. Because I truly believe the future of trading is AI, and the days of sitting staring at a trading screen are, to be honest, are going to be obsolete very, very soon. The institutions have been trading machines, algorithms for nearly 20 years. Retail's just catching up. So this is the future. Arcis AI has everything on the platform you need to automate your trading, education, setups, analysts, edge tracker, journals. Everything is fully automated. So you just need to plug in, sign up for your free 14-day trial below. Any questions, let me know, and I shall see you on another video with some new cool updates very, very soon. Well.